for having invited us here to this program. This last 3 days, I have been campaigning in different parts of Shella constituency. I must tell you that I learned a lot. Constituency, I also learned a lot of new languages, I must say. Different languages I got to hear this time. I was campaigning with Mr. Shella about 2 days back. And he was speaking in English, and he spoke in Khasi, and then he spoke in Hindi. But his Hindi was very different. So half the people could not understand. But then I heard and I saw some people who understood. So Bakirman said, oh, there are people Koila, because he was speaking Koila Hindi. He was speaking Koila Hindi, Koila Malik Hindi, Kermen Shella. Then yesterday, Mr. BG Moment was campaigning. He also spoke in Garo, and then he spoke in Hindi. Again, new Hindi I heard. This Garo Hindi. Garo Hindi I got to learn and hear yesterday. And today our speaker has spoken, and another new Hindi has come out. This is the Maruti Hindi. So I have been very, very fortunate to learn so many new languages today. Friends, we all know why we are here. We all respected, we all loved Dr. John Koparoy. And he is not here with us today. And we have all come together from different walks of life, different political parties, at one point fighting against each other, at one point giving speeches against each other. But here we are today, united, because of Dr. John Koparoy. That is the kind of person he was. That kind of love that people have for him. The respect that people have for him. That he had the power to make people come together. People who may not see eye to eye sometimes. People who speak different languages. People who have different kind of cultures. That is a true sign of a leader. And friends, that is why I'm here today. The NPP, if it wanted, we could have contested this election. I am under tremendous pressure that we must contest this election. But as our president of the UDP mentioned, we were very firm that this is a tribute to Dr. John Koparoy. I was telling some friends the other day, and I want to tell all of you also, that we will all leave this earth one day. We will all leave this world one day. And when we leave this world, we will meet Dr. John Koparoy again. And when you meet him, what will you tell him? And this is what has made me come here for the past 3 days. This is what has made me ensure that NPP did not put up a candidate. This is what made me come here and campaign continuously, because I will have to answer to him one day again. All of you know that when we were about to form the government, it was Dr. John Koparoy who pointed his finger at this person sitting in the corner of the room, and he said, if this man is made the chief minister, I will support. That is how Comrade Sangma is standing here in front of you. And it is my duty and my responsibility to ensure that I now point my finger to this person sitting next to me and say that he will have to be the next MLA of Shella constituency. That is why I am here, my friends. I have to answer back to him. I have to repay him for his love. I know he wouldn't expect me to repay him, but my conscience would not allow me to continue if I had not done this. And that is why, my friends, I think this is for all of us. It's not just for me. Every single person in this meeting has been touched by Dr. Don Roy in one way or the other. He has affected your lives in one way or the other. I'm sure everyone in this place has a memory of Dr. Don. And that is why it is your responsibility also to ensure that you continue the work that he had started. It is your responsibility to ensure that you will also support the candidature of UDP, son of Dr. Don Roy, in this coming election. So that when you meet Dr. Don Roy again, you can proudly tell him, I did my duty and I did my part. That is why, friends, this election is very different. This is no simple, normal election. Dr. Don Roy has given more than 30 years of his life to the people of Shella. Friends, I'm telling you, it is not easy. I know it's very easy to point finger at a person and say good things and bad things. But you look at it from his point of view. A man who selflessly gave himself for 31 years to the people of Shella, to each and every one of you, to the members of UDP. We cannot forget that. It is our responsibility to now pay him back. And that we will do